Hi everyone, happy Thursday. Today we're going to be trying out this cool tassel maker by the brand Clover. I did a video about their pom-pom maker, but like always, I am never sponsored. I just find cool stuff and I just want to try it out on video. This one is the size small. You can make cute earrings, decorations, necklace. You can even put it in bags. I'm going to try to make just a keychain, small keychain. So I have this keychain ring with the chain. I bought this in Joann's for $3.40. The original price is $7, but it was on sale. This is the back. So let's just get started. The instructions are on the inside. We're going to be using the small maker, and the largest tassel that you can make is 2 inches or 5 centimeters, and the smaller size you can make is 1 3/16 inches or 3 centimeters. I'm going to make the 2 inches. So what we do is loosen the screws, and we have to loosen both screws. Let's put this back in. This is the other side. It has nuts and bolt. There we go. So this is the largest size. We tighten it. And this one too. There we go. We are ready. Aside from your tassel maker, you will need scissors and whatever you're using. I'm going to use this crochet thread. It's by Artiste. I bought this in Hobby Lobby for $3.39. But you can use whatever string you want. You can use the embroidery string as well. And of course, you will need your keychain ring. Or if you want to make earrings, you will need earring hooks, and you can find those in any craft store. So let's just get to it. So the first thing we're going to do is take our string, and on the right side or the left side underneath, we're going to put our string in the space here, and we're going to hold it. Now we're going to move it to the right side. So our string is, the end of the string is on the right side. We're going to start wrapping vertically and you can wrap how many times you want. Just going to wrap all to the other side. Going to try and keep the strings together. Just wrap around. So I almost reached the other side. Going to leave it like this. Now we're going to put the end of our string in this space here. So this is our end and this is our beginning. We're going to cut our string. So this is what we have. Now we're going to take some string and cut. We're going to tie this in the middle all around our strings. In the middle here, there's a gap. You're going to put your string all around on both sides. So this space here, I'm going to bring it to the other side, like so. Same thing on the other side, all around. Now we just need to find the middle. The middle. I think this is fine. We're going to make a double knot. 1, 2, and we're just going to make it tight. Try to bring the strings close enough. On the other side as well. Going to bring the strings to the other side. We want to make the knot tight so the strings don't come undone. Just like that. If you're not going to use your key ring, you can just tie a knot on the end of the strings and then you'll just be able to hang your tassel. But if you want to make the keychain, you can just open this up. If you cannot get it to open, it's okay. We can just put it on the other side of our knot. On here. Like so. Our string, our knot is on the other side, and we're putting it on the other side of the knot. We're going to take our chain and we can just close it up very carefully, and there you go. Now we're going to take our scissors and we're going to put it through the groove on both sides. We're going to cut the strings carefully. You still want to hold it in the middle. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. And now we can take it out. It doesn't look like a tassel just yet because we're going to bring both sides together and we're going to put string all around and we're going to make a knot. We're going to wrap all around. To keep these together, you can put some tape. I'm going to do just that, and then it'll be easier to make a knot. If you don't have any tape, you can just use a hair clip and clip the strings together. Clip, and that's keeping it in place. Gonna put our string underneath and we're going to make a nice double knot. And we're gonna try and keep it tight. Finger here. Like so. And we can just unclip. We can make another knot on the other side. So the excess string, you can just try and trim it and they will just blend together. Also, if you want to cut the strings to make it even, you can do so. But I think it's very nice like this. We're going to cut a little bit just the long ends. These ends right here. Right there. And there we go. And there you have it. Your tassel keychain. Isn't it cute? You can use whatever colors you want of string. If you have the larger size of tassel maker, you can use yarn as well, but I'm sure you're able to use yarn on the smaller size too. Cute. All right, everybody. I hope you have a good day and are staying safe and healthy. And like always, you can follow me on my social media sites. Thank you everybody for watching. Bye bye.